How to increase your CTR. Hello YouTubeator. Your video could be amazing, even greater than YouTube automation channels with over 1 million subscribers. But people will never know it if they don't click in the first place. So the question is, how do I make YouTube watchers pick my video over others? We're sure you already know it comes to 2 fundamental elements, the thumbnail and the title. And we won't leave you wondering about the right strategy to make killer thumbnails and titles. This is how you can do it. First, there is no magic formula for clickable thumbnails. You should try as many formats as you can while keeping in mind that you should either trigger curiosity or fear. Yep, most people act through emotions. You need to give them a reason to click. Then comes the title. It must complete the thumbnail even if creators choose to reformulate the same information given in the thumbnail. Don't forget to optimize your title with specific keywords. That's how you help YouTube find the best audience for your content. For a 1-minute video, we think we gave you an overview of how to increase your CTR.